Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to the Fizz Math Concept. This is Shamsa Javeen and we are solving Cambridge IGCSE paper 2 multiple choice 062522 May June 2025. In this video we will solve from question number 24 to the onward. Let's read the question. A ship sends an ultrasound pulse to the seabed to measure the depth of the sea. The speed of the ultrasound wave in the sea level is this. Speed is given, right? And the pulse takes you 4.6 seconds to travel to the seabed and back to the ship. Basically, from here, let's suppose this is the ship, and it sends the ultrasound pulse to the seabed. Right? This is our seabed. To measure the depth of the how much is this distance. We know the speed of the ultrasound, it is given, and time is also given. So what we need to find out the distance traveled, and this is go back. The ultrasound is sent and it come back, and the time is given, that is 4.26 seconds. So let's calculate the distance. Distance is equals to v speed and multiply by the time, right? So v is 1500 multiply by the time is 4.6 seconds. It will give you the answer 6900. But this is not the answer. We can't select option D. Why? Because this is the total distance the pulse travel to go to the depth and then come back. It is basically the twice the distance of the depth of the sea, right? So for finding the single distance, means for finding the depth, we need to divide this distance with 2. So 6900 divided by 2 will give you the right answer for the depth of the sea. You guys understand it? Why we are dividing it with 2? Because the wave travel, the pulse travel to the depth of seabed and move back to the ship. So it is a double distance. So that's why we need to half it for finding the single distance. It will give you the answer 3450 approximately equals to 3500 meters. Option C. Now come to the question number 25. Let me make some space and then we will solve it. Read the question meanwhile. Okay. Let's read it. A dolphin has the range of audible frequencies of 150 Hz to 150 kilohertz, right? If I talk about the dolphin, wait, I think I may write it in this. Okay. So dolphin range is 150 Hz to, okay, I think I should write it. Wait. Yes. 150. This is 150 Hz and this is 150 kilohertz, right? Which range of frequency can be heard both by human and by the dolphin? Wait, let me change the color. Yes, humans and dolphins both can hear. We need to find out that range. We all know that the human audible range is 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz, right? So it must be 20 Hz is this one and 20 kilohertz let me be lie here. Okay, so we need to find out the range for both of them audible. So if I talk about option A and B, 20, they are starting from 20 hertz. No, it is not possible because 20 hertz is not audible for dolphin, right? Now come to the 20 kilohertz. It is audible. 20 kilohertz is audible for both of them, for dolphin and for human. But the 151, this range is not hearable to the human beings. So it is again not correct. And if we talk about the D part, it is 150 kilohertz, means this range to this range, to 20 kilohertz, this range. This is audible for both of them. You can also check from the figure that this is for both of them, 150 kilohertz to 20 kilohertz. Okay. Now read the question number 26. A positively charged balloon is placed against the wall. This is, let's suppose, a balloon and it is our positively charged. And the charge make the balloon stick to the wall, and it is stick to the wall. So which statement explain this? Obviously, if it is positive, then wall must have generated a negative charge, so that both of them attract each other and the balloon will stick with the wall. So let's check the options. Positive charge on the balloon attract the electrons of the wall. So yes, option A is the right option. Now come to the question number 27. A student is trying to determine the resistance of the lamp, and he set up the incorrect circuit. The circuit is incorrect. Which changes would allow him to take the measurement needed to calculate the resistance of the lamp? So resistance is equals to V equals to IR and R equals to V by I. So we need voltage and we need current to get the resistance. So here we know the ammeter is correctly aligned. There is no need to ammeter is always connected in series for finding the current, but voltmeter is not correctly applied. It must be connected in parallel with the circuit, with the resistor or the any material we want to find out. We want to find the voltage of that portion. So in this case, I think I will draw it with the other color. The voltmeter is not in this way. It must be placed in this way, parallel to the resistance. So let me check the option. It must be connected. Option D, right? Disconnect the voltmeter and connect it to the parallel to the lamp. Okay, students, I hope these questions are clear. In the next video we will do the next questions. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.